In this video I show you two ways of cleaning the cast iron pan and preparing it for the next cooking session. Also, I want to show how the pan is faring so far after 100 meals. A couple of months ago I bought this PETROMAX FP30 cast iron pan and I have used it now for about 100 meals. The aftermath of a typical meal looks like this. There is a pan which I put hot water into to soften the residue without soap, otherwise the burnt-in coating is lost and the pan will rust. You maneuver the pan into the sink and with that you train your arm every time you lift that pan! Exclamation mark. You grab your medieval chainmail piece you carved from Don Quixote in the museum and clean the pan with it. That was a joke, of course. You can actually buy these cleaning metal rings just for this purpose of cleaning cast iron pans and skillets. They are stainless steel and will not rust. Then you scrub the residue of the pan, rinse the pan and wipe the pan with a paper towel dry. Put vegetable oil on the pan and rub the pan to renew the coating while preheating the next time. Then let it dry. Rinse, reheat, repeat, and so on. How is the pan faring so far? A little bit of patina is starting to show now and it preheats much quicker. Also the heat transfer is better and faster. The bottom of the pan is still flat and not curved, and I really enjoy cooking, sauteing or even frying meats, fish and vegetables or making a pizza in it. My only gripe with it, but I understand that baking casts limit this somehow and the material has to withstand the heat a lot, is that the handle is quite narrow for that weight, especially when the pan is leaden and you use to carry other stuff with your other hand. If you don't put the pan into your oven, the handle won't be that warm. On the other side, this product is really sustainable and long-lasting, and for it, cheap. As soon as my vendor has some in store again, I will buy one with a smaller diameter to use it on the side cooker of my barbecue. Thank you. But the most comfortable way to clean the cast iron pan is when the pan is still a little bit warm and you have used enough oil, and use a paper towel to wipe it clean. This is shown here. And now the kitchen equivalent of Who is Guarding the Guardians. How to clean the chainmail. I use here kitchen soap and rub it all over the chainmail and wash it off with hot water. Then I let it dry on the countertop and use it the next time. Thank you very much. Please feel free to like and subscribe.